Do you have an ant problem in your house and are looking for a simple solution? Well, in this video I'm going to show you a recipe on how to make a borax ant bait at home. Hey folks, Kevin here with Kev's Castle and CastleRemodel.com. I want to mention that I do have a home maintenance checklist that is totally free. Also, I have a locals community. If you want to go check that out, hit that link in the description and let's get into the video on how to make ant bait out of borax. We're going to make some borax ant killer, and this is just pure sugar. If you are going to use the same measuring device, do the sugar first before the borax. We're going to do equal parts, 1 teaspoon of sugar, one teaspoon of borax, and this is tap water. We're just going to add a little bit of water, we don't need a whole lot. That's a little more runny than it needs to be, but it'll still work. You can see where the ants are coming down the wall right back here. So my ant killer paste, I'm going right up to where their trail comes down. And you can see they're already exploring it. It might take a little while for them to completely find it, but it looks like there's already one that's on the dish. And we're just going to leave it there. It'll probably take a couple hours for them to really start taking it. And we'll come back and check on this in a little bit. There are already ants at the bait. They're eating it, and what'll happen is after they start telling the rest of their nest to come eat the borax sugar solution, they'll start taking it back to their nest. So this process does take a little time. You just leave it out and you may have to refill it as long as you see ants around. But once they are gone, then they're gone for good. This is probably about 3 or 4 hours after I put the bait out. And that's all there is to it. Building a ant bait station using borax and sugar is that simple. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm so other people can find it as well. And hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Here at Kev's Castle and at CastleRemodel.com, I am dedicated to helping you create your castle. Thanks for watching.